In today's tutorial, we'll be demonstrating how to properly sharpen your dual trimming tool. High quality tools built to last a lifetime, like our dual trimming tool and other mud tools, will require small amounts of maintenance and care to ensure they perform like the day they were purchased. For this process, you will need the following tools and equipment: a Dremel tool or rotary tool, Diamond Burr, bench vise or alternative way to secure your tool while sharpening, an old rag, and feed and wax. Links to all required tools and equipment can be found below in the description of this video. Step 1. Observe the edge. Before we start sharpening, take a close look at your tool's edge. Notice the beveled angle located on the interior of the spade and curled sides of your dual. This is the only side we want to sharpen and the exact angle that we want to match when doing so. Step 2. Set up your Diamond Burr. We're using the Mud Tool's 5/32 Diamond Burr and a standard rotary tool. Make sure the burr is tightly secured in the rotary tool and that you're wearing eye, hand, and ear protection before you begin. Always prioritize proper safety in the studio, even for the smallest tasks. Step 3. Secure your tool and start sharpening. For this tutorial, I will be using a bench vise with rubber grips to firmly secure my dual trimming tool while protecting the integrity of the tool. Remember the golden rule of sharpening: less is more. Keep a light, even touch and use a gentle back and forth motion across the full length of the edge. You're not trying to regrind the whole tool, just refresh the edge. Repeat this process for several passes and test the edge. Step 4. Feel for the burr. Gently feel along the back of the edge. If you can feel a slight burr forming, that means your edge is sharp and ready to go. Now, take a piece of 320 grit wet dry sandpaper and lightly polish off the burr from the back side. This will smooth your edge and complete the sharpening process. Lastly, place a pea-sized amount of feed and wax on an old studio towel or rag. Gently rub the feed and wax all over the entirety of the dual trimming tool and allow it to dry. With just a few minutes and the right touch, your dual is ready to get back to work, clean, sharp, and satisfying.